Welcome to Soundline English.
What a beautiful morning by the river. David, I love talking about daily routines.
Me too, Emma. Talking about your morning routine is great English practice.
Absolutely. Dear English learners, describing your morning helps you use simple present tense.
That's right. Should we share our morning routines today?
Great idea. I'll start. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock every morning.
7 o'clock? That's perfect timing. What's the first thing you do?
Well, when my alarm rings, I turn it off and stretch in bed for a minute.
Stretching is so important. Do you get up immediately after that?
Not immediately. I like to think about my plans for the day first.
That sounds very organized. Then what happens next in your routine?
After thinking for a minute, I get out of bed and make my bed immediately.
Making your bed first thing, that's a great habit to start the day.
I always make my bed because it makes me feel productive and organized.
Making the bed does give you a sense of accomplishment. What comes after that?
Then I go straight to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face.
Ah, the bathroom routine. How long do you spend in the bathroom?
Usually about 15 minutes. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and comb my hair. I always use cold water on my face. It wakes me up completely. After the bathroom, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast and coffee.
Coffee. That's essential for many people. What do you usually eat?
I love making toast with butter and jam, and I always drink 2 cups of coffee.
2 cups? You really love coffee. Do you eat anything else?
Sometimes I add fresh fruit, bananas, or berries. Coffee and fruit give me energy.
That sounds delicious and healthy. How long does breakfast take?
About 20 minutes. I like to eat slowly and think about my day.
Taking time for breakfast is very important. Many people skip breakfast.
I never rush my breakfast. It's my quiet time before the busy day starts. Now, tell us about your morning routine, David. What time do you wake up?
I'm an early bird. I wake up at 6 o'clock, sometimes even earlier.
6 o'clock? That's very early. Why do you wake up so early?
I love having extra time in the morning. I never feel rushed or stressed. I usually wake up naturally without an alarm clock. My body has a good schedule after waking up The first thing I do is drink a big glass of water.
Water first thing in the morning? That's very healthy. What happens next?
Then I do some light exercise, stretching, push-ups, maybe yoga.
Exercise in the morning? That's amazing. How long do you exercise?
Just 15 minutes of exercise makes me feel strong and ready for anything.
After exercise, I take a quick shower. Then I make a healthy breakfast.
What kind of breakfast do you prefer? Is it different from mine?
Very different. I make a smoothie with fruits, yogurt, and sometimes protein powder.
A smoothie sounds refreshing. Do you eat anything solid for breakfast?
Usually just the smoothie, but sometimes I add oatmeal or whole grain cereal.
That's much healthier than my toast and coffee routine.
My smoothie has banana, berries, yogurt, and spinach. Green vegetables for energy.
David, your routine sounds so healthy. I should try adding exercise to my mornings.
And I should try taking more time for breakfast, like you do, Emma.
That's the beauty of sharing routines. We can learn from each other.
Exactly. Dear English learners, everyone's morning routine is different.
The important thing is finding a routine that makes you feel good and energized.
Some people prefer slow, relaxed mornings. Others like active, busy mornings.
Both are perfectly fine. What matters is consistency and starting your day positively.
Try different morning activities and see what works best for you.
English learners, can you describe your morning routine in the comments?
Use simple present tense. I wake up at, I eat, I drink.
Practice describing your routine every day. It's great speaking practice.
Remember, good morning routines can make your whole day better.
What time do you wake up? What's your favorite breakfast? Tell us everything.
And which part of your morning routine makes you happiest?
Thank you for learning about morning routines with us today.
See you next time for more English conversation practice. Have a wonderful morning.